Hi, today it's balloons. Balloons. These are tiny balloons, although they can make them look big. um, like these little balloons here. We call them water bomb balloons. And they're rather good because you get a lot in the packet for your money. So one or two little things to do with the balloons, and then some questions to ask. So if, first of all, people do get worried a lot of people do get worried that the balloons are going to burst, and in fact they will if I take a balloon and dunk it on the pin, bang, it's gone. But what will happen if I put my balloon on a bed of nails like that? Will that one burst? Another way to burst a balloon, which I suppose is a bit silly, is to take a candle, put it on a mat, and hold the balloon over the candle. Burst. But is there a way to hold a balloon over a candle so that it doesn't burst? And another one we can do, we're trying to put a pin into the balloon. Is there something we can do to the balloon to still put the pin in so the balloon doesn't burst? Or even push a barbecue skewer through the balloon. Can you do that? And finally, when you do blow up a balloon, there's something very special about it. And I wonder if you can think what that will be. And it doesn't happen so well with a big balloon, but a little balloon, it really does work well when you push the air in. So there's a few little ideas with the balloons, and we'll show you tomorrow what happens. So to start where we finished, the interesting thing when you blow these little balloons up is that they get charged straight away, so you don't have to usually rub them. So it's stuck, you can see, to my hand, and the right charge, it'll stick to me. So that's the interesting thing. You can stick as many balloons on yourself as possible. Another one we did was with the bed of nails, and when you oops, didn't work that time, pressed a bit too hard, but normally you can press and the balloon doesn't burst because the pressures spread, the forces are spread out. If you want to stick a pin in, you can get some sellotape and put the sellotape over the balloon. Make a patch of sellotape and get your pin, and the pin will actually go through the sellotape if you're careful and into the balloon. Right, I haven't got that in quite yet, but you can do that. Or with a skewer, what you do with a skewer, I usually dip it in a bit of oil just to make it slippy, and then we'll see if I can do this one. Take it in where the balloon is thickest, the end there, twist, oops, sometimes it doesn't work. Twist it, and there we have the skewer into the balloon, and if with a bit of luck it can come out the other end, so you have, like, come on, there we are, a balloon kebab. Not wanting to burst the balloon, we had our little candles not doing very well there. Could get a bit more flame, but I've got here the balloon, and you can see it's got water in the bottom, and in theory that won't burst when you put it over the candle. Okay, so we had a few failures and a few successes there, but generally speaking, I think you've seen them all. So I hope you have some fun with your balloons and don't throw a water balloon at your teacher.